Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block all those pesky ads on your iPhone games. Now you can see in this game, it wants me to pay almost $7 to be able to get rid of these ads in this game. The nice thing is you can do it completely free and it just takes a couple minutes. Now what we're going to do to block those ads is, of course, just hop out of that game. And we're going to open up a web browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome on here. And on here, we're going to type in AdGuard DNS. Again, AdGuard DNS into Google. And you can see here, AdGuard-DNS.io. Just go to this. Essentially, what AdGuard DNS does is it intercepts all of your web traffic and removes or eliminates all the ads. So it does this across websites, but also across every app on your iPhone, including all of those pesky games. Now, instead of the option 1, where you have to download an app, it's a bit easier to just open up option 2, where you just add the DNS configuration. So open up option 2, and let's go to iOS here. You can see it says the default server, AdGuard DNS, will block ads and trackers. However, you can choose to, if you wanted to, have Family Protect, which also blocks adult content, essentially pornography, gambling websites, stuff like that. But in this case, I'm just going to choose the default server. And I'm going to hit Download Configuration Profile, and then hit Allow. Now, it says to review it, just hop into your settings. So just like that, I'm going to open up the Settings app on my phone. And you'll be able to see at the very top, it says Profile Downloaded. Let's just tap on that. Now, here's AdGuard DNS. You can see all I need to do is tap on Install, and I'll enter in the passcode to unlock my phone. And then we will tap on Install and then Install again. Let's make sure it is turned on just by, you might need to go back out of here, and then tap on VPN and Device Management. And at the very top under DNS, instead of automatic, we want to make sure it's on AdGuard DNS. And now if you hop out of here and open up any game on your iPhone, or rather any website as well, it'll eliminate and remove all of those pesky ads. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.